You all are confined to district court or
No, no, no.
High court?
They will meet us. They will meet us after we finish with the election. Meet us after.
Superintendent Engineer representing Chief Engineer, PWD Kashmir, along with my Lord Honorable Administrative Judge for District Srinagar. My Lord, District Srinagar is the largest state and the summer capital of Union Territory of Jammu. It lies in the Kashmir Valley on the banks of Jahim River. Very honest, my Lord, District Judiciary Srinagar. For us, the team of my officers, you can see the post real administrative control over my officers. On civil side, I am the district judge. On criminal side, I am sessions judge also. It is both civil and criminal. Your permission that other our officers will introduce. I request additional district and session judge.
Ashwini Kumar Sharma, Additional District Judge, Tata Mota. Pankaj Mithal,
Magistrate Juvenile Justice Court 3. Sir Shaista Nazir.
Before we like
The present judicial system in the state of J&K started from the District Court Complex. In 1928, the High Court building was constructed within the Southern Court. Found in the center of the historic Srinagar city, the history of the institution of judiciary is inscribed on each and every corner and
So in second phase we have more courts. We have in this we have about 61 courts. Now we have 25 courts in that.
Total 63.
Total future. Latest futurist. Principal Secretary to Honorable the Chief Justice, the Principal District and Session Judge Mr. Malik, my dear presiding officers of the District Court and the subordinate courts, very good morning. We all are happy and overwhelmed by the presence of Honorable the Chief Justice and the great saints and Sophies of this heaven on earth have contributed a lot for strengthening the justice delivery system. One of the great Sophie, Sheikh Nuruddin Noorani, Nundaresh, commonly known, has used his sayings that we are the choosers of God.
Administrative Judge, Srinagar, Registrar General, Rajiv Gupta, Secretary Police, and the Principal District and Session Judge, Mr. Malik, all the other judicial officers present. A very good morning to all of you. I am overwhelmed to be present amongst you in this abode of justice that are available in the District Court campus at Srinagar. You will strive, as my brother pointed out, 24/7, 365 days in the cause of justice delivery system. It is no doubt a demand. As far as the infrastructure facilities are concerned, I don't think that you will face any difficulty with such a nice